From the plains of Africa to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. We've witnessed their incredible feats of strength, their complex social structures, and their remarkable adaptations to even the harshest environments. But did you know that humans aren't the only ones who enjoy a drink? Across the globe, creatures great and small have discovered the intoxicating allure of fermented fruits, nectars, and even carefully brewed concoctions. Join me, dear viewers, as we journey to the far corners of our planet and raise a glass to nature's tipsy revelers. Let's explore some surprising animal behaviors that mirror our own, proving that the enjoyment of a tipple is a universal language. From cheeky chimpanzees with a taste for palm wine to the wobbly antics of berry-loving birds, we'll uncover the unexpected ways that animals indulge in a bit of liquid merriment. So pour yourself a drink, sit back, and prepare to be amazed by the surprising world of animals getting drunk. Deep within the lush forests of Guinea, a troop of chimpanzees is on a mission. Their target, the sweet, intoxicating nectar of the raffia palm. Local villagers have been tapping these trees for generations, collecting the sap to ferment into a potent brew known as palm wine. But the chimpanzees have developed a taste for it too. These clever primates have been observed fashioning tools from leaves, dipping them into the collection pots, and then savoring the alcoholic spoils. The chimps even seem to have a preference for the stronger, more fermented batches, often returning to the same trees day after day. This behavior isn't limited to a single troop. It's been documented across chimpanzee populations in West Africa. While some individuals indulge more than others, the chimpanzee's fondness for palm wine offers a fascinating glimpse into the complex relationship between primates and alcohol. It seems that the desire for a little inebriation might be more deeply rooted in our evolutionary history than we once thought. Our next stop takes us to the sun-drenched islands of the Caribbean, where a band of mischievous vervet monkeys has acquired a taste for something a little stronger. These feral monkeys, descendants of escaped pets from centuries past, have become notorious for their daring raids on tourist bars and resorts. Their drink of choice: anything they can get their paws on, from cocktails left unattended to bottles of beer pilfered from unsuspecting tourists. The monkeys are surprisingly adept at their boozy heists, often working in teams to distract their victims, while others make off with the goods. While their antics might seem amusing, the monkeys' taste for alcohol has become a serious concern for locals and conservationists alike. Excessive drinking can lead to aggression, injuries, and even death, both for the monkeys themselves and for the people who get in their way. The situation highlights the complex challenges of managing wildlife populations in areas where human and animal habitats overlap. Chapter 3: The Inebriated Waxwings. Our journey now takes us to the colder climes of the Northern Hemisphere, where the Bohemian waxwing, a bird known for its striking plumage and nomadic lifestyle, faces a seasonal challenge. During the winter months, their diet shifts to include a high proportion of berries, particularly rowan berries. While these berries provide vital sustenance, they also undergo fermentation in the winter months, producing alcohol as a byproduct. The waxwings, with their voracious appetites, often gorge themselves on these fermented berries, leading to some rather unsteady flights. These tipsy birds become disoriented, struggling to navigate, land properly, or even maintain their balance. They've been observed flying into windows, crashing into buildings, and generally behaving in a manner that suggests they've had a bit too much to drink, while the sight of a drunken waxwing might elicit a chuckle. It's a reminder that alcohol consumption in the wild can have serious consequences, even for creatures as small as a bird. Chapter 4: The Perpetually Tipsy Tree Shrew. Our final destination takes us deep into the rainforests of Malaysia, where we encounter a creature that makes our previous subjects look like teetotalers. Meet the pen-tailed tree shrew, a tiny mammal with an extraordinary tolerance for alcohol. This unassuming creature feasts on the nectar of the Burton palm, a nectar that contains an astonishingly high alcohol content, 3.8% to be precise. That's roughly the equivalent of drinking beer all day long, yet the tree shrew shows no ill effects from this constant state of inebriation. Scientists believe that the tree shrew has developed a unique physiological adaptation that allows it to metabolize alcohol incredibly efficiently. This adaptation allows them to exploit a food source that would be toxic to most other animals. The tree shrew serves as a fascinating example of the remarkable adaptations that animals have evolved to thrive in even the most challenging of environments. Cheers to nature's party animals. As we've seen, the animal kingdom is full of surprises, from chimpanzees sipping on palm wine to tree shrews living in a perpetual state of tipsy bliss. Animals have found remarkable ways to indulge in the intoxicating effects of fermented fruits, nectars, and even stolen cocktails. So next time you enjoy a drink, remember, you're in good company. Animals around the world are indulging too. Their behavior, while often amusing, reminds us that the allure of alcohol is a powerful force, one that transcends species and connects us to the natural world in unexpected ways. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and always remember the wonders that await us in the wild.